Hi, Kathy Johnson here. And today I want to speak about air. We know that without air, we couldn't breathe, and without breathing, we couldn't live. But it goes so much deeper than that. When we talk about air and breath and its relationship to all of life. For example, when we breathe in, now just take a breath, just a nice deep breath. And feel that. Okay, we can feel the intensity, we can feel the coolness of the air coming into our lungs. When the air comes into our lungs, it comes in as air, right? But when it reaches our lungs, a process happens where the oxygen is removed from the air and taken into our bodies. And it feeds our lungs, it feeds our cells, it feeds our brains, it feeds our bodies, and it helps our bodies be alive. When we breathe out, that oxygen is kind of replaced with carbon dioxide. Okay, so we're breathing in and retaining the oxygen, and we breathe out and we send out carbon dioxide. When we breathe out, all those plants, trees that are around us, now they are nourished because through photosynthesis, a leaf and sunshine on that leaf, okay, it takes in the carbon dioxide, and a process happens where that feeds the leaf and the tree and the plant, and it gives off oxygen. Almost like breathing, but in a slightly different way. So when we breathe, we are breathing the air of the people around us. Okay, so if we're in the same room, we're sharing that air. And it kind of connects us, doesn't it? Because it's the same air that we're breathing, the same air that the people in the room are breathing. When we are breathing, say, in outside, all right, there's like this connection with all of the plants that are around us. We breathe in and we breathe out with the plants. So there's this connection with the plants. And it's not just us in this room or, the plants that are surrounding us. Right now there's a breeze. Can you see? It's kind of flapping over here. The breeze takes the air that I've just breathed out, that I've exhaled, and takes that carbon dioxide and spreads it like way beyond just these trees and the bushes underneath and things. It actually sends that much further. And I'm receiving oxygen that may have been produced in the rainforest. So this breathing and this sharing, okay, is connecting us to the whole planet. The whole planet. Just this air that we cannot see, but we know is there because science told us. So we share this air, breathing in and out, you and me. That's how you and I are connected. You and I, we're connected at this moment through air. In other languages, breath and spirit are the same word. So we're connected to spirit in that same way. We're connected to our Creator who at some point created this whole place. We're also connected through time because the air that you and I are breathing now. People have been breathing for like a really long time, right? Hundreds of thousands of years, as long as people have existed. Now, the planet is 4.6 billion years old. That's a long time. But like back then, when it was first created, it was, this hunk of something. But because of its proximity to the sun and things like that, a lot of processes happened. And at first, there were some single cell plant type things and single cell animal type things, because you've got to have both, because otherwise, well, there wouldn't be a balance. You need the plant kingdom to feed the animal kingdom, which feeds the plant kingdom. So we are connected to the past as far back as air existed. And so, of course, are connected to the future. The air that we are breathing now will also be breathed by our children, grandchildren, great-grandchildren. People of the future will continue to breathe this air. It's amazing. It's amazing. So today, let's give gratitude for the air that we breathe. Let's take time to breathe it, to feel it, to enjoy it, to love it, and to be grateful to all that there is, that air exists. May it be so.